Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jerry the Dodger Dude, and today we're opening a 2025 Topps Holiday Mega Box. While my phone goes off. Let's see. Get this baby open. Try to move quick. I believe that there is an ornament in here. There used to be. Nope, guess not. Oh, yeah, there it is. Duh. Teddy Williams. Alright. I don't know what we're going to get for short prints. I'll pop up a picture of them as they appear. Oh, man. This is not my day. Alright, let's do this. We got Zach Wheeler, Randy Arozarena, Alex Bregman, Manny Machado, Kobe Mayo, Brian Reynolds, Max Fried, Edgar Guerrero, Mick Abel, and Dalton Rushing. Nice to get a good auto. Gunnar, McCutchen, Waller, Vientos, Cardena, Josh Smith, Emananga, McRae, Bueller, and a Ketel Marte parallel. Schwellenbach, Vesta, Romo, Garcia, Green, Wagner, Tatis, Cowser, Cruz, and Zach Gallen. Going as quick as I can here. Pasquantino, Duran, Griffin Conine, Gilbert, Ballesteros, Lindor, Neto, Lee, Austin Hayes, and a Julio Rodriguez parallel. I'm rushing because my wife's making dinner here. Jordan Alvarez, and I'm hungry. Drake Baldwin, Doyle, Smith, Job, Gacy, Contreras, Semien, Yasan Kim, Swanson, Ramos, Casas, Bogarts, Rushman, Snell, Skubal, Jimenez, Ezekiel Tovar. Paul Skeens, Rooker, Ben Rice, Taylor Ward, Zebby Matthews, Dustin Harris, Shane Bieber, Yandy Diaz. Oh, what we got here? And Nacho Alvarez. Nacho, greatest choice for a hit. Chris Bryant, who never plays anymore. Corey Seager, DeCenzo, Perdomo, Perez, Hernandez, Zach Fiend. We got something blue. Ooh, we got a Nick Kurtz, numbered to 199. Now that's a nice hit right there. We'll put you aside. And of course, I dropped the other one like a dumbass. Kevin Alcantara. The Nick Kurtz made the box worth it right alone, huh? That's a nice hit right there. He's a beast. Kikuchi, Marcelo Mayer, Christian Campbell, Augustine Ramirez, Cal Raggi, Corbin Carroll, Acuna, Chisholm, and a blue Corbin Kearns. Good old Corbin Burns. Last pack. No relic, huh? What a beat box. Ian Happ, Adames, Westberg, York, Schwellenbach, Holiday, Cease, Thorpe, Bliss, and a Sedan Rafaela parallel. So there it is, the Nick Kurtz. Looks like it has a little surface damage. It does, of course. That's it.